year, new vibes, say goodbye to last year.
Spain, eating grapes.
In Spain, it is believed that eating grapes can bring good fortune for the new year. During the countdown, as the clock chimes 12 times, people eat one grape with each chime, totaling 12 grapes to symbolize the 12 months of the year. Successfully finishing the grapes before the final chime is said to bring happiness and success. Families and friends often gather around the TV to take part in this fun challenge together.
Here's what Spaniards do on the first day of the new year.
Wearing new clothes, especially red underwear. Keeping homes clean and placing money around. Eating fried eggs with chorizo. Participating in New Year's runs. Sharing a lavish family lunch.
Spanish New Year delicacies.
12 grapes. Eating 12 grapes symbolizes the 12 months of the new year, with each grape representing happiness and good luck. Iberian ham. Iberian ham symbolizes wealth and luxury, making it a classic dish for New Year's celebrations. Seafood paella. Seafood in paella represents abundance and fresh beginnings, while rice symbolizes prosperity and stability.